Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the key concepts in SQL, which is SQL statements. In this session, we mainly focus on SQL statements theoretical part, and in upcoming session, we will discuss practically about each SQL statements. By end of this video, you will be very clear about what SQL statements are, various types of SQL statements, and different types of commands within each SQL statements. So let's get started. SQL statements in SQL can be used to store, manage, retrieve, and control the database objects. And they are mainly classified into 5 different categories, which are DDL, that stands for Data Definition Language, DML, Data Manipulation Language, TCL, Transaction Control Language, DCL, Data Control Language, and DQL, Data Query Language. Let's discuss about the commands of each category. So first, in DDL, we have 5 different types of commands, which are create, alter, rename, truncate, and drop. And these 5 commands are mainly used to modify, create, and control the database objects, both SQL and PL/SQL objects. So using create, we can create a table, a sequence, a synonym, a procedure, a function, etc. Using alter command, we can modify the existing object. That means modifying a table name, modifying a column name of a table, or modifying a data type size of a table. Like this, we can perform using alter statement. Rename can be used to rename the table name. And truncate can be useful to delete all the data of a table at once. And drop can be used to delete both table structure and table data at a time. Coming to DML commands, so we have 3 statements. We have 3 commands here: insert, update, delete. So these 3 commands are mainly useful to add, modify, or delete the rows of a table. Using insert command, you can insert a new record into a table. Using update, you can update a row of a table. And using delete, you can delete a row from a table. And coming to TCL commands, there are 3 commands in TCL, which are commit, rollback, and save point. So these commands are mainly useful to control the sessions, control the data also. So commit can be used to commit the session. Usually we use these commands to save the changes permanently. Like if you are either inserting or updating or deleting a row, it's necessary to perform TCL commands right after that. Let's say using commit, you can save the DML operation permanently in the database. And using rollback, you can restore the current transaction to previous transaction. That means you can roll back the changes. And using save point, you can create a checkpoints in a transaction. That means allowing a partial rollback of your transaction. Coming to DCL, so using these commands, grant and revoke, we can manage user security. That means providing access or revoking access of a certain object from the user. So using grant, you can provide access to some of the users in a company for any of the object, like a table, a package, a procedure, a function, like that. And as you know, there are four different types of permissions using select, like select, insert, update, and delete. So if you are providing all these four permissions on any of the object for any of the user, he can be able to do anything with that object. Like he can select the data, he can insert the data into a table, and he can update the data, and also he can be able to delete the data as well. So using this grant command, you can provide any one of these or all of these permissions to user on any of the SQL or PL SQL objects. And using revoke, you can take back those permissions from the user on already given permissions of that object. And finally, DQL commands. There is only one command here, which is select, which is very main command that we use in every single day. So that is select. Using select, we can be able to select the data from one or more than one table. And using a select command, we can develop SQL queries, and also we can use different concepts in SQL to design or develop queries based on a business requirement. We will talk about all of these commands practically in upcoming sessions. So that's all about for today. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends or anyone that you feel it's useful to them. Thank you.